How to recover deleted videos on Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head toward File Explorer and go to Recently Deleted folder. If you see any videos here, you can simply click on it and restore them. After that, go to Google Drive, go to your Gmail account drive, and in the files you can see a lot of video has been backed up. So if you delete these videos from your gallery, it will still stay here. So to do so, simply go to the plus icon at the bottom, choose the video which you want to recover and simply click on upload after that. And shortly it will be uploaded in your drive and then you will be able to recover it whenever you want. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.